Today we're tackling a frustrating issue many users face. Does someone has access to your screen message or you're sharing a screen error? If you're dealing with this problem, I've got some quick solutions to help you out. Let's get started. First, let's check your screen sharing settings. Depending on the app you're using, navigate to the settings menu and look for any screen sharing or screen recording options. Make sure that screen sharing is turned off if you're not using it. Sometimes other apps might still be using screen sharing in the background. Close any unnecessary apps running in the background. On Android, you can do this by swiping off from the bottom and closing apps. On iOS, you can simply do the same. A simple restart can solve many issues. Power off your device completely and then turn it back on. This can help reset any temporary glitches affecting screen sharing. Next, let's make sure all your apps are updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on your profile, scroll down, and if there's any update in any apps, simply update it. Keeping your apps updated can fix bugs that may be causing the issue. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app that's giving you the error. For Android users, you can try resetting app preferences also. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, and then select the three dots in the top right corner and choose Reset App Preferences. This will not delete any app data but will reset preferences for disabled apps, notifications, etc. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix if someone has access to your screen message error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.